CLI. Yesterday we discussed about the Angular CLI. What is CLI, sir? Command line interface. What is CLI? Command line interface. What is the purpose of the command line interface, sir? To manage the Angular project. To manage the Angular project. Now tell me, the CLI is about a single command, not a multiple command, sir. Now I'm asking, what is the command? What is that command we are having? Angular is providing. ng, very good, sir. What is a command Angular is providing? Ng. Sir, how to install this command? Very simple process. Very simple process. What is the first one, sir? Install the Node.js software. Next one, execute the command. Execute the command. So we have the one. Now I'm asking how to create the project. Very simple, sir. Ng new project name. Ng new project name. Example 1. Example 1. So in this way we can create a project. What is the next one, sir? How to execute the project? Very simple command. What is the command, sir? What it will do? It will compile the project and place the project files in the development server, and finally start the server. And access the application by providing the URL. Access the application by providing the URL. Sir, what is the default port number? What is the default port number? 4200. Sir, can I modify it? Yes, of course you can modify that. What is the syntax for this one, sir? Hyphen port equal to 8080 or 9000 based on your requirement, based on your customer call. Yes, I can do that. Sir, can I open my application with SSL? With SSL? Yes, we can do that. What is the one, sir? Hyphen SSE equal to true. Sir, in the same way, I don't want to have the comments in my production code. It is only for development purpose only. Before I am going to move into the production, I want to minimize all this one. How to do this one, sir? Minification. What is this process? We call it as what, sir? Minification. What is the advantage of this process, sir? Application size will be lesser. Why? Because unnecessary spaces, indentation, and as well as the comments will be removed. So automatically file size will be decreased. Automatically file size will be decreased. If the file size decrease, what is the advantage we are having, sir? Performance. What is the advantage we are having? Performance. So in this way we can get this one, sir. Okay, I'm able to deploy and able to run. Not only deployment, what is the next step, sir? Testing the project. How to test the project we can do, sir? What is the first one? Open the browser and enter the URL. Like how to test the project? What is the command, sir? Ng test command. So these are the commands we discussed yesterday. These are the commands we discussed yesterday. So now let us discuss about other parts of our application. Very simple. Let me show you that. CLI part 2. Because some people are unable to join today, that is why I'm giving the live. From the tomorrow onwards, there is no live, sir. From tomorrow onwards, I am expecting to everyone to come to this class by 8 o'clock. Means join this class by 8 o'clock so that we can have. Okay, everything is ready. Now the fourth part, build the project. What is the one, sir? Build the project. As buddy Sheikh Basha, today I have all your email IDs, so I will give the access for you only. Means I will place the example notes as well as the examples in the Google Drive today itself. Okay, let's continue the class. What is the next one, sir? Build the project. What is the next one? Build the project. Now I am asking the question. When you are running the Angular project, it will give you clear cut in this way one message. See, example 1, cmd ng sir. What it will do, sir? Compile the project and it will make it as a executable version. I will show you one important thing here. Highlighted part. This one only used for what, sir? Developer development purpose only. It is used for only for what's a development purpose only, means for our local application execution only, not for the production purpose, not for the customer purpose. So now tell me, can you depend upon this local development server? No, no sir, it is not for our it is for development only. For the customer production, right now all companies right now they are using cloud based servers. So what is the web servers they are using? Our own servers? No, sir. They are using what? Cloud-based servers for application execution purpose. For application execution. Now I am asking the question, sir. Can I use this development server in the production? Use it for application execution in the production environment. No, sir. We cannot use this one in a production environment. So these are the things. Sir, how to do this? Very simple. What is the Angular processor? In case of compile, what is the first one? First one, compile the project. What is the first one, sir? Compile the project. Next one, it automatically creates, compile the project, it automatically creates what, sir? All JavaScript files. Creates all JavaScript files from TypeScript files and place all the project files in one folder. All the project files in one folder. So this is what we need to know. Now tell me, what is building the project, sir? What is the first one? Compile the project. What is the next one? Create all JavaScript files. It automatically create what's it? All JavaScript files from TypeScript files and place all the project files in one folder. Now your DevOps team. What is the who are the people, sir? DevOps teams or AWS teams. AWS teams means Amazon Web Services or Google or Windows Azure. So these cloud teams, DevOps teams are cloud teams place our project code, place our project code into the cloud servers. Cloud servers. This step is called as deployment. This step is called as deployment. Very simple, sir. The name itself, deployment, means placing our project code into the cloud servers. Now tell me, as a developer, you are doing or DevOps teams are doing, DevOps teams. So, or your team lead. That is why if you are having more than 7 or 8 years experience or more than 6 or 7 years experience, you need to have the idea about what's all these processes also. So now I am asking the question. As a developer, what is your job? The first two parts, the first two steps. What is the first step, sir? Compile the project. What is the second step, sir? Create all JS files. Means those are the things and move it into one folder. Place all the generated JS and other project files. Now I am asking, in the UI programming, what are the in general, what are the files we create, sir? I am giving the clue. The first one is JS. What are the other files will be there in the UI programming? HTML. Very good, sir. CSS. As well as I agree with that. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What are the other files, sir? Okay, jQuery. Those are the JS file. Very good, Satish. What is the file will be there? images. So right now, all the UI files means what, sir? The first one, HTML. All the our content we want to display. How to beautify this one, sir? CSS, whether it is a bootstrap or whether it is a, all the related CSS files. What is the next one, sir? JavaScript, whether it is a jQuery or some other JavaScript files, we are going to have it. As well as bags, we all automatically will be copied into one folder. So right now, for this one, we use what, sir? One simple command. We are going to do, sir, what is the command we are going to do? Ng build. So what is the command we are using, sir? Ng build. So let me show you that command, sir. Very simple. Control C. I'm stopping the server. Now let us go here. Tell me what are the folders I am having, sir? SRC. What is the next folder, sir? Node underscore modules. What is the next folder, sir? E2E. What is the next folder we are having? E2E. Very simple. What is the command, sir? Ng. Now observe build. Automatically it will create one folder, dist, distribution folder. So let's wait for completion of the process. It is doing. What is the first step it will do, sir? Compile. What is the first step it will do? Compile. What is the next step, sir? It will place all the project files. It will place all the project files into one folder. So you can observe now what is created, sir? Distribution file. In this one, we have all the project related one. Let me show you. Name, type. Let us have the type related one. Still it is going on. I guess it is. So let's wait for few seconds. Yes. Now observe what are the files it is created, sir? What are the files it is created? What is the first one? Index.html, our project related file. In the same way, some couple of files here. Some couple of files here. Now tell me, this distribution folder we can give to the cloud ops team or cloud DevOps team, cloud team or DevOps team. What they will do? They will place into the servers. They will place into the servers, and how they copy this code into the remote servers. So how they copy this code into the remote server by using file transfer tools, FTP tools, file transfer protocol tools. What are the ones, sir? WinSCP, as well as FileZilla. There are so many tools are there. Putty also there, but I don't like the Putty buddy because the Putty is not that much good. We need to have so much uh, knowledge on that. That is why the putty is very easy and not user friendly. That is why we use the GUI tools like FileZilla or WinSCP, those kind of things. So those kind of things, sir, we will use. We will transfer our data from our system to the remote system. We will transfer our data from our system to the remote system. So how to create this one? What is the command we are using? Ng build command. What is the command I am using? Ng build command. Now observe fifth one. Add or update the new versions, new libraries. So in Angular, everything will be managed by NPM. So right now, I want to work with the latest version of Bootstrap, or I want to work with the latest version of Material. So how to do this one, sir? Add or update. What is the command, sir? Ng add the library name. Library name. So, or in the same way, ng update. What is the one, sir? Library name. So automatically Angular will download the library and it will add the library, or automatically Angular download the library, latest library, and it will update the library. So it is also possible by using Angular ng. So we can see this one in the coming classes. The sixth one, last one, very important one, last not. So generate the Angular features. So we discussed the first class, means our Angular related class, we discussed about the project organization. What is the one, sir? Module, as well as what, sir? Component. We discussed about few things. What are these, sir? Components, as well as what? Services, as well as pipes, directives, as well as we are having what, sir? Gods. So all this one, you no need to write the code, sir. That is the beauty of Angular. It automatically generates for us. It automatically generates for us. So very simple. What is the command, sir? Ng. What is the next one? G. I want to generate a God. At the time, what is the one, sir? God. And God name. So security. So let me run this command, and the beauty of Angular, let me show you that. Can activate. There are different types are there. Now observe. So right now, automatically the sample code is generated by whom, sir? You are generating, or framework is automatically doing that? Framework. Now tell me, it is a good thing for use to use in our project or no? Now let me show you the code. UI means, let us go to the project example, go to the SRC, go to the app. See, sir, all the framework code is by default available. All the framework code by default is available. Now tell me, you simply expand this one. Based on here, we are going to write the logic for us. Here we are going to write the logic for us. Now tell me, sir, I want to generate a component. What is the syntax, sir? I want to generate a component. Let me give you the next observation. G means generate. What is the one, sir? Component. What is the component, sir? Login. Component name. Very good. Observe. Control C. See. Now automatically observe. What is the first one, sir? Component related view file is created. HTML file is created, as well as component related logic file is created, and component related beautification CSS file is created, and everything is updated with the module. Tell me how beautiful it is. That is why we use what's a CLI. That is why we use the CLI. That is why Angular is good. So right now, are you writing the code? No, sir. We are generating the code. How it is the syntax? Now I am asking, I want to generate a service. What is the syntax, sir? What is the command I need to use? Ngg service name. Very good, sir. Observe ngg. What is the next one, sir? Service. And service name. Service name is nothing but user service. Let me show you that. Ng G service name is nothing but user. So guys, observe here, automatically service is generated. Now tell me, are you create code or you are generating the code? Generating the code. And in the same way, sir, I want to generate the pipe reverse. So it automatically creates a file, and it automatically updates the module also. It automatically updates the module also. Sir, I want to generate a directive. Ngg directive unique. So these are the ways we can generate the things. We can generate any of this one. So this one is also provided as part of the CLI. So guys, I will place all these ones in, and I will also share the examples so you can get the email. So my suggestion is all of you, please fill the form so that I can have your email IDs so that I can share the drive with you. Directly run the VS course command. Nobody, don't do that. Always use